Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's see how to make a delicious mouth-watering mutton curry. The good thing with this curry is it is very simple to make and it needs very few steps and few ingredients. I can bet you and your family will fall in love with this recipe. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of the notifications. So to make this recipe in a pan, I am taking 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds splutters. Then add 1 onion diced vertically. Let the onion turn slightly transparent. At this time, I am adding mutton. I have taken 1 kg of mutton, cut into pieces and washed very well. I have drained off all the water content. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric and mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. We can see the moisture content in the mutton is releasing. Add salt to taste and cook it and by closing the lid until mutton is cooked almost 70%. I'm not using pressure cooker for this. I'm using cooking on the stove top. While the mutton is cooking, let's prepare the masala for grinding. I have taken 1 onion, adding 1 teaspoon of oil, 15 garlic cloves, 1.5 inch of ginger, 4 cloves, 2.5 inch cinnamon stick, 1/2 cup of mint, 1/2 cup coriander leaves. Roast it. Any masala before grinding, if you roast and grind, the taste alleviates. It just takes to the next level. Add 1.25 cup of coconut. Roast for few seconds, then turn off the flame. The temperature of the pan is sufficient to roast it. Now add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, and mix it well. With all the masala powder, beautiful aroma is coming. We don't want the masala powder to cook in with lot of temperature. If it burns, the taste won't be as good. So let it cool down and transfer to the mixie jar. For this, I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of roasted poppy seeds, which is totally optional. The reason for adding is it helps in thickening the sauce. Now make a fine paste of it. Our mutton is cooked almost 75%. Now transfer the masala paste to the mutton. Add 1 cup of water and mix it well. Let the mutton cook very well in the masala paste so that mutton absorbs the masala. Now I'm adding 1/2 chopped tomato. I like the flavor of tomato in the mutton curry as it absorbs the flavor. If you don't want it, you can totally skip this. Cook it until the mutton is cooked 100%. Make sure the salt, everything is fine. If not, adjust. This mutton masala curry is very easy and goes great with chapati, roti, rice, especially raagi mudde or raagi ball. And all the ingredients are provided in the description box also. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel again. And as always, everyone, be happy, be healthy and be safe. Take care.